Yo, woman clean for them interview that. Put from strap, you know. The boy, if you see it, so I have to bring strap on interview, you know, yo. Yo, no girl not about the place, man. Yo, oh man. Look like I be a killers in that place, so yo. Good thing some bring the strap, you know, cause some boy are dead if them pull off on me, you know.
A few moments later.
Oh dear, Mr. Massacre, yeah. To the interview, we have a bag of questions for you, know. Come on, you answer them honestly. Oh.
We do things different, is it?
Yeah, man, know yeah, how much? Can see so bag of white hair on your beard and thing, you know, you. So man, know yeah, how much me know. All people are up for me, you know, brother.
Getting all now, me yo. Soon gone.
Boy, how you can call your son youth? Me know your son is yourself, brother.
So you're growing at the place I think you're right. Without the 1,000 man, them afraid another fuss.
Yeah, I mean, you see them boy, they don't even act like them safe. Through them boss I protect them. So that go.
Boy think say them safe cause them boss wealthy. Watch your style.
Watch what kind of style? I mean, I watch no style. Brother, you have a shot in my place, brother. Alright. Watch my style now. Aww. Give me this here, boy.
Go and run it off for me.
Dude, what you do with strapping in my place, brother? Yo, me know I have no strapping in my place, you know, brother. Holy man, you have strapping at this, and me. Yeah, alone you have strapping at this. I don't know where I come a man interview with the gun for you. Brother, now do them thing there again. Hey boy, and you know man, hey, me shoot you boy.
Before you bust ahead, just a 2 song.
You know, I'm shooting, yo, that is yourself, you know, brother. Manuel, grind, you know, brother.
End up with strap in a full bar.
Yo, but you don't know, man, evil, you know, brother.
But know Jah will forgive you for your few can.
Them boy, they be a woman dog, them a kill off, you know. I hope you not follow them boy, they know massacre.
No kill no woman. They have the cock for taste it.
Oh, you better come, you know, say, I know, so your mother growing up massacre. I know you find you young and you grow up, you know. You know, say your mother now grow your son. Yo, boss if you go boss all of them boy they head, you know. Yo, murder a few man them and they murder a few man, no be a man left. Yo, how them boy are pre-massacre?
When a boy shot for way 6, chop with a whole 14, back to base.
Alright, massacre, enough of that. Right now, me forget, say, how interview me I do, brother. You want the people them fire me? I do here. Want know your qualifications, you know. Want know if you do carpentry at school or so.
We full of metal like a welder, we know the carpentry.
What? You're full of metal. So what that mean? So you have enough metal can build and save for me. Left me play. Interview done.
So do you think you bleach your face at all?
So now make it to the end of the video. Thanks for supporting. If you watch the video till the end, very appreciate it. Thanks for your support. You see me? Yeah, and don't know if you subscribe if you not subscribe as yet.